वहां पे रीडिंग में तो स्टिल आपके पास पैसेज होता है, बट लिसनिंग में आपके पास ऑडियो वापस से नहीं आता है. तो इट इज इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर यू, रियली वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, जहां पे यू कैन स्कोर एग्जैक्टली 40 out of 40 without even making a single mistake. Hello, welcome back to the wonderful channel of PW IELTS and TOEFL Prep, where I am back again for you and going to tell you a lot about listening module. So today I am here to make you aware of the IELTS listening traps and how to avoid them. क्या solution है? What exactly you need to do when it comes to IELTS listening? Okay, I know मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट मॉड्यूल होती है आइल्स स्पीकिंग, आइल्स राइटिंग. स्पीकिंग में कैसे डील करना है, राइटिंग में कैसे करना है, बट स्टिल listening is also something really very important, जहां पे you can score exactly 40 out of 40 without even making a single mistake. And I know for a lot of you it might seem impossible, but trust me, it is possible. And in my previous video अगर आपने देखी होगी, मैंने कहा था nothing is impossible, it's just that it might be difficult, but yes, not impossible. ठीक है, तो शुरू करते हैं. So let's get started. Let's see the very first problem or the very first trap that you encounter in listening is paraphrasing pitfalls. The hidden enemy. So yes, it is actually a hidden enemy. How? Because if you know that जब आप listening करते हो, तो whatever the audio plays, you don't usually get the exact answer. ठीक है? For example, अगर आप fill in the blanks कर रहे हो या आप short answer type question कर रहे हो, you're going on with flow chart completion or form completion question, majorly or majority of the time it happens that you might not get the exact word to be filled into the blank, right? Then what exactly you need to do in order to get these kind of answers straight? So paraphrasing is the key. Paraphrasing and distractors, in multiple of my videos मैंने हमेशा बताया है that paraphrasing and distractors are something which are going to be there in the IELTS examination. You have to be prepared for it. ठीक है, भाग नहीं सकते. You cannot do anything but to acknowledge the fact that these are going to be there. Okay, now first one. The trap is the recording never repeat the exact words from the question. So whatever the recording, whatever the audio that you are going to listen only once, they don't exactly repeat the exact word in the audio from the question. Many test takers listen for the same word instead of its paraphrase. Exactly, यही गलती करते हो तुम लोग. So there are a lot of you, आप क्या करते हो, आप वो exact word ढूंढ रहे होते हो जो question से मिलता जुलता होता है, and then जहां आपको वो मिल जाता है वहां फिर आंसर मार्क कर देते हो. ठीक है, बट ये नहीं करना होता है. देखो करना क्या होता है. One unique tip for you over here is focus on the meaning, not words. When you start focusing on the meaning, it's going to give you a brief of what exactly you need to figure out. ठीक है? Train your ears to detect synonyms and reworded phrases. Next, use a paraphrase anticipation technique before listening. Guess possible synonyms for key question and words. क्या करना है? वापस से सुनो. What exactly you need to do? First of all, train your ears to listen to the paraphrased word. Create, make, form, ये सारे होते हैं. ठीक है, so make sure you train your ears to get to the perfect paraphrased word. Train your ears to be and train yourself to paraphrase the anticipation technique. Paraphrase anticipation technique is when you get that 30 seconds to read the question. जब आपको वो 30 seconds मिलते हैं question read करने के लिए, तो what you do at that particular point of time. मैंने हमेशा बोला है question read करना doesn't mean that you are just reading the question. You need to understand what is the demand of the question. In order to fulfill its demand, you need to understand what exactly it is asking for. Okay, and वहाँ पे आप anticipate करो. What you can go for the predictions. What can be the particular answer. अगर at लिखा है, if for example हमारे पास यहाँ पे at लिखा है, यहाँ पे blank है, तो at के बाद या तो place होगा या तो time होगा. right? These are the only two things. तो जहाँ पे आपको similarity मिले बस आंसर लिख दो. This is what you are going to do. ठीक है, तो इसी को कहते हैं paraphrase anticipation technique, जहाँ पे you can anticipate the paraphrased word and come up with the exact answer. समझ आ गया? नाउ ये तो हो गई पहली टिप. नाउ लेट्स टॉक अबाउट द नेक्स्ट वन विच इज पैराफ्रेजिंग पिटफॉल्स द हिडन एनिमी का एक एग्जाम्पल ले लेते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, व्हाट इज द मेन रीजन फॉर क्लाइमेट चेंज? लेट्स सपोज दिस इज द क्वेश्चन. नाउ व्हाट इज द आंसर? द प्राइमरी कॉज ऑफ ग्लोबल वार्मिंग इज इंक्रीज्ड कार्बन एमिशंस. The word climate change is replaced with global warming. Exactly. तो वो climate change नहीं बोलेंगे which you are looking for, but they might change it to global warming, and the main reason is primary cause. The main reason for this is, the primary cause for this is this. Okay? Strategy box. Highlight primary cause, which is main reason. Highlight global warming, which is climate change. Action step, think about how words might be changed before you listen. This is what I told you. Start making predictions. उस 30 seconds का बहुत ही optimum utilization करना है, and you have to make the prediction. Now what's next? Misleading similar word, or you can say misheard words. Now what is it? The speaker says a word similar to the correct answer but in a wrong context. For example, 15 versus 50, 13 versus 30, 20th को आप 28 से confuse करोगे. Okay? 30th को 38 से confuse करोगे, and that is, it's okay, fine, I truly understand that, but what you need to make sure is you need to be familiar with it. ठीक है? familiar कैसे होंगे? सबसे पहली तो चीज होती है familiar होने की, that is practice. ठीक है? अगर practice से भी familiar नहीं हो पा रहे हो तो दूसरी चीज आ जाती है आपकी transcript. ठीक है? Transcript is very important in order for you to be familiar with the context. Now what's next? Unique tip. Anchor on stress and rhythm. Pay attention to intonation, differences between similar sounding words. Write down both the possibility. If unsure, note both and quickly check which fits after the listening. So yes, note making is very essential technique which is going to help you in order to ace your listening and reading also. But yeah, listening more, because वहाँ पे reading में तो still आपके पास passage होता है, but listening में आपके पास audio वापस से नहीं आता है. तो it is important for you to consider the note making technique so that आप accuracy को 80 to 90% बढ़ा दो. The fact is, only providing an answer is not a solution. It's just the thing that आप accuracy को कितना importance दे रहे हो, how important accuracy is for you. Now, what exactly we are supposed to do over here? How much does the ticket cost? It's 50 pounds. Oh, I thought you said 15. You might write 15 instead of 50. Got it? 15, stress on the second syllable. 15. Stress on the first syllable. 50. Do you get that? When in doubt, write both and cross-check what exactly can be there. ठीक है? So this is exactly, कभी भी कोई भी doubt हो, किसी भी word पे doubt हो, the very important and the very you can say useful tip that I would like to give you over here is, what you can do is you can write, start doing the note making, and there you go. There you are going to be there you are going to have the answer right in front of you. ठीक है? And you can use it accordingly. Okay, this is the reason it is important. Now let's have a quick look at the next one. Okay, distraction sentences for which you need to stay alert. What is distraction sentences? The speaker first gives an incorrect answer or misleading answer before correcting it. Many students write down the first thing they hear. Right? I know. There are a lot of people, अगर उन्हें पता होता है कि what exactly it needs to be there in that fill in the blanks question or form completion question, table completion question, अगर उन्हें पता होता है कि यहाँ पे कोई नंबर आएगा या उन्हें पता होता है यहाँ पे कोई वर्ड आएगा, ठीक है, what they do is the very first thing they hear और वो लिख देते हैं. Same applies in reading as well. I've seen a lot of times कि passage में there might be possibility the other kind of information might be available, but very first information candidates see, they are going to just write it down then and there. Don't do it. Listen properly. Listen completely. तभी तो बोला है note making करने को. Why did I ask you to do the note making? For a reason. ठीक है. Unique tip क्या है? Wait for the correction clue and words like actually, no, wait, rather, in fact, often indicate the change in information. These kind of words often indicate the change. Don't commit too soon. Keep listening before finalizing your answer, and by the time you finalize your answer, make sure you're making the notes. ठीक है? What time does the meeting start? The meeting is at 4 p.m. Oh, wait. I'm so sorry. It's actually at 5 p.m. There you go. There you've got the answer. 4 p.m. instead of 5 p.m. Watch for the correction clues. Actually, sorry, rather. I meant to say, or wait for writing. If in doubt, keep listening. And that's where you can mark on the accuracy, and that's where you can confirm your accuracy for the particular answer. Got it? Chalo. आगे बढ़ते हैं. Now let's talk about speaker swaps. I know there are a lot of people out here जिनको speaker swap के टाइम पे बहुत ज़्यादा दिक्कत होती है, नहीं समझ में आता है कौन बोल रहा है, कैसे बोल रहा है, how they are going to go ahead with the entire conversation and dialogue, who gives the answer. Exactly, this is what happens. क्या करना है? Sometimes two speakers are discussing an answer. The correct answer is often not from the first speaker. And majority of the time they are talking on the contradictory topic, or they're having a debate, or they are something, some or the other way they are talking about and against of something. Focus on the final decision and make sure you focus on the meaning, the conclusion they are coming up with. ठीक है? Often the second speaker confirms the correct answer. Underline question keywords before listening. This helps identify who's speaking about them. What else? What else we can do? Now let's check over here. Who is responsible for project improvement? Now here's the recording. I think the manager approves it. No, it's actually the director. Writing manager instead of director. This is how you can decide on what needs to be written. The second speaker usually corrects and confirms the right answer. Action step, always listen for the final confirmation, then move forward with the particular answer. Did you get that? Okay? Clear? So these are some of the strategies, these are some of the tips, or you can say the traps which are there in listening, which are really, really, really important. Okay? Now, what's next? Fillers and confusing pronouns. Now, stay focused. It is very important, trust me. IELTS speakers delay answer using fillers like well, let me think. Pronouns like he, she, it, they can confuse the listeners. Exactly. So, what you need to do, ignore the fillers. Listen for content word. Don't go for, because the audios are very much natural. They contain the natural term. बहुत ज़्यादा natural conversation contain करते हैं, तो there are chances that you might encounter a lot of fillers at the time when they are speaking or when they are thinking. So, match pronouns to the subject before listening. If the question is about a professor, listen carefully for he, she and not they. Exactly. If the question or the audio stands for one person, अगर हम एक person की बात कर रहे हैं, तो make sure you listen about them, or them, when I say them, I mean he or she should be used frequently as compared to them pronoun. ठीक है? So this is something, because the subject will be familiar to you. Subject आपको familiar कर दिया जाएगा once they start using the pronoun. बिना subject के they will not use the pronoun, right? So it's important for you to consider that. कैसे करना है? Who will give the presentation? I think Jack will. No, actually, Sarah is doing it. Writing Jack instead of Sarah, right? Well, let's see. I guess pay attention to he, she, they. Mentally replace pronouns with the real name. Again, if you are not able to do this, you can definitely go for the note making. To all the beginners out here, आप सबके लिए है that whenever you get time, make sure you use that 30 seconds in order to do the note making, in order to read the question properly, and by the time the audio goes, make sure you provide notes, you prepare notes, because बिना note making के definitely you're not leading anywhere. It is important. कितनी चीजें याद रखोगे? It will be very difficult for you to remember each and everything. and these are very slight, like, you know, very minimal information, or you can say these are very minute information which definitely आप चाह के भी consider नहीं कर सकते हो, and they don't have any particular meaning to it. Instead, like, you would be rather focusing on what exactly they are talking about than who is talking about, right? So it's because you need to be very much inclined to the intended meaning. इसी के लिए important है कि ये जो छोटी छोटी details होती है, make sure you note them down. To all those people who are going for pen paper based test, definitely आपके पास booklet है, you can mark over here. To all the people who are going for computer based test, आपके लिए pen paper होगा, तो you can mark over there as well. ठीक है. So और उसके बाद आपको time मिलता है for all the PBTs out here, you get 10 minutes extra after the examination, and for all the CBTs out here, you get 2 minutes extra after the examination, definitely for review, not for transferring answer, but the fact is you're getting time. और मुझे लगता है कि इन क्वेश्चंस में बहुत ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम्स तो नहीं आएंगी, हर क्वेश्चन में प्रॉब्लम्स नहीं आएंगी. अगर आपको हर क्वेश्चन में प्रॉब्लम आ रही है, देन डेफिनेटली आपने उतना प्रैक्टिस नहीं किया जितना आपको करना चाहिए था. तो व्हाट आई एम बिलीविंग ओवर हियर इज कि दीज काइंड ऑफ प्रॉब्लम यू आर नॉट गोइंग टू गेट विद रिस्पेक्ट टू ईच एंड एवरी क्वेश्चन. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अगर हमारे पास फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स में 10 क्वेश्चन हैं, तो बहुत ज्यादा वी आर गोइंग टू गेट दिस काइंड ऑफ प्रॉब्लम ऑन 4 क्वेश्चन. बाकी के 6 क्वेश्चन तो यू विल बी एबल टू डू इट, राइट? सो ऐसा नहीं है कि आपको सारे क्वेश्चंस में ये करना है. यू हैव टू गो फॉर ओनली दोज क्वेश्चन जहां पे आपको एक्यूरेसी इंपीड होती दिख रही है. यू फीलिंग लाइक यहाँ पे मुझे एक्यूरेट, आई एम नॉट कॉन्फिडेंट इनफ अबाउट माई आंसर, वहां पे यू कैन टेक केयर ऑफ इट. ठीक है, दिस इज वॉट यू नीड टू टेक केयर. ओके, so I hope this is going to help you, and please comment down anything you're feeling. If you still have an issue, if you're still facing any problem, please let me know. I'll definitely make a video out of it. And all the very best to all the students who are preparing for the IELTS examination. Bye bye, take care, we'll see you in the next session. Till then, bye.